Hello learners, you are welcome to yet another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about some uses of information tools. First, we talk about the computer. What is computer? The computer is an electronic device that accepts data and processes it into useful information and stores it for future use. The computer is used for typing documents. Computer is used for learning and teaching. Computer is used for playing games and watching movies. It is used for drawing and designing. It is used to send and receive information. Good, so this is the computer that you then are learning. Now we have radio. Radio is another information tool used for receiving information such as news and announcements by the general public. Good. 1. It gives us news. It gives us announcements. It educates us. It entertains us. So these are the uses or the functions of the radio. How important the radio is. When you are being asked to write some uses of the radio, you should be able to write these. Now let's talk about television. Television is an information tool used for receiving information which is being broadcasted from the television station. It gives us news, it gives us announcements, it educates us, it entertains us. So you can see these people sitting here watching movie on the television. Camera. A digital camera is an electronic device which is used for taking pictures and recording videos. 1. It is used for taking pictures. 2. It's also used for recording videos. Simple. You should be able to write this for me. Main highlight here is for taking pictures and for recording videos. Now we have calculator. The calculator is an electronic device which contains figures and mathematical operations used for performing calculations. 1. It is used for calculating figures. 2. It is used for adding numbers. 3. It is used for multiplication. It is used for subtraction. It is used for division. What have you? So we have some of the operations here: addition, multiplication, subtraction. We have division over here. We have fraction, and then we have division. So we have the calculator to do all these calculations for us. So don't forget, when I'm being asked to define or write the uses of the calculator, tell us that it's used for calculating figures or it's used for adding numbers. Good. Now, telephone. A telephone is a device that can be used to talk to other people far away from us. That is why we call it telephone. The word tele means means far away, very, very far away from us. And vision means to see. So far away, for us to see something. So we will be sitting down in your home and you'll be able to see. But now we are talking about telephone. So as in television, we have telephone. This one, phone, means to hear. You'll be able to hear something. So we call it phone. But the vision is for us to see. So television. So telephone, for us far away places, listening from here. So we can hear whatever they are talking about when they are far from us using telephone. So it's a device that can be used to talk to other people far away from us. So we say it is used to make phone calls. It is used to receive phone calls. Okay, it is used to receive phone calls. So write it nicely like this. You can make your notes. Ben is talking to his father on phone. So this is the mobile phone. Consider he is talking on the phone. So the phone is used for talking to people who are far away. We call them telephone. Good. Now, digital thermometer. The digital thermometer is like this. It's an example of thermometer. It is special type of thermometer which shows the temperature reading in numbers. So that means previously there is a type of thermometer that uses mercury. So when the system is hot or they put it in a hot body, then the mercury increases downward. So we can be able to detect that a person is this number of this Celsius or degree. But now we have digital thermometer that can read the heat. So when the body is heated here, and you use it to touch that body, this number changes here. And who knows the actual temperature of a normal human being? Go and find out. Go and find out the actual temperature of a normal human being. Point on this one. Go and find out. Now, you have a digital thermometer here. This one is a digital thermometer. What do we use it for? Digital thermometer is mostly used in the hospital to measure the temperature of a sick person. Good. Assignment 1. Write down 5 information tools you know. 2. Which information tool is used to make phone calls? 3. Write down the uses of the following tools. 1. Calculator. 2. Thermometer. 3. Camera. So you take your time and do this assignment neatly and send it to me. End of class. Have a nice day. Bye.